Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to buy BnB on Trust Wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. All you need to do is simply tap open your Trust Wallet app. Once you tap it open, you need to simply download it, or if you have already downloaded it, you need to get logged in into your account. After doing this, launch the Trust Wallet app and tap on the buy option. So once you tap on buy button on the home screen, in the buy section, locate and select the BnB from the list of available cryptocurrencies. After doing this, enter the amounts of BnB you wish to purchase and select your preferred currency, example USD or EUR or anything else. So simply select the third-party payment provider and choose your preferred payment method. After doing this, confirm and complete the transaction and you are all set to buy BnB on Trust Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.